This is a 2017 Ford Explorer. We're going to take a look at how to fold down the rear. It has 3 rows of seats, so the rear row of seats. See, there's kind of instructions here, but basically, first thing you're going to do is pull on each one of these. The long pulls that are the upper pulls, that will fold down the headrest on both sides, which we just did. And then if you actually pull on the red pull here, this number 1, pull on the red pull, push that seat forward. And on the passenger side, do the same thing, pull the red pull, push that seat forward. Now I have both of these seats basically folded down but not rolled back. And then to roll it back, you'll see step 3. So you can actually take this black pull here, so say pull number 2, and you can pull on the long pull. It's going to fold down the driver's side. Do the same thing on the passenger side, pull on this black pull here. So pull on there, pull on this long pull. Then you've got the rear seats folded down. Get them back up, you can just pull on this latch. Alright, and then just going to pull them back up, so pull on the one. There we go, pull them here. And then fold the headrest back up. Alright, there you go.